Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the latest innovations in the 2025 custom-designed motorhome market. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to the RV lifestyle, these state-of-the-art motorhomes offer unparalleled luxury, technology, and performance. First up, let's explore the 2025 King Air by Newmar. This luxury motor coach starts at $1,637,440 and is built on a Spartan K3 tag-axle chassis, featuring a Cummins X diesel engine with 605 horsepower. The King Air boasts Italian leather furniture, high-end residential appliances, and advanced driver technology, ensuring a comfortable and safe journey. Sight Turn Zero Search 9. Next, we have the 2025 Cornerstone from Integra Coach. Known as the best-selling luxury motorhome, it features a Cummins 605 HP engine, custom-tuned Koni shocks, and the valid True-Lean air leveling system for a smooth ride. Inside, you'll find luxurious Italian leather furniture, hand-tile floors, and premium residential appliances, making it a top choice for those seeking both power and luxury. Sight Turn Zero Search 4. For adventure enthusiasts, the 2025 Tiffin GH1 Adventure Van is a game-changer. Built on a Mercedes-Benz 2500 Sprinter cargo van chassis with all-wheel drive, it's equipped with a Fox shock system by Agile Off-Road, allowing it to handle any terrain. The GH1 includes a 3000-watt Victron Pure Sine Wave inverter/charger, Battleborn lithium-ion battery kit, and solar panels, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. Sight Turn Zero Search 15. Thor Motor Coach introduces the 2025 Inception 38BX, a Super C diesel motorhome built on a Freightliner S2 RV chassis with a Cummins B6.7L engine producing 360 horsepower. This model offers a rear private bedroom with a tilt-a-view inclining king bed, bunk beds, theater seating, and a fully equipped kitchen. The exterior features a 40-inch LED TV, perfect for outdoor entertainment. Sight Turn Zero Search 12. For those interested in eco-friendly options, the Pebble Flow EV travel trailer is an innovative choice. Designed by California-based company Pebble, this electric RV features a 45 kWh lithium-ion battery that can power amenities for up to 7 days. Its sleek, aerodynamic design includes a kitchen, bathroom, and convertible dining and sleeping areas, all controllable via a mobile app. Prices start at $109,000, with deliveries expected in the first half of 2025. Sight Turn Zero News 25. Another notable mention is the AITH transformable tiny home camper van by AC Future. This fully electric, modular home can expand its living space by 400 square feet in seconds and includes an AI assistant named Futura that manages resources and controls lighting. The drivable version starts at $298,000 and offers a bedroom, bathroom, living room, and kitchen, providing a spacious and modern living experience on the road. Sight Turn Zero News 20. In the realm of ultra-luxury, the Loki Coach Prevost motorhome stands out with a price tag of $2.5 million. This custom-built motorhome feeder